Hello guys! In this video, we're going to see how to add a data set in Power BI. I'll guide you through the steps to import your data and make sure it's ready for analysis. We'll also learn how to assign headers to the data so your columns are clearly labelled and easy to understand. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, this tutorial will help you get comfortable with the basics. So, let's jump right in and get started. To get the data into Power BI, the first step is to import it. In this tutorial, I'm going to use an Excel sheet as my data source. We'll walk through how to connect your Excel file, select the right table or range, and bring that data into Power BI for analysis. Let's get started with the import process. To import the data into Power BI, start by selecting Get Data from the Home tab. A list of available data sources will appear. These are all the formats Power BI can work with. From the list, choose Excel Workbook. This will open a file browser where you can locate your Excel file. In this video, I'm using an Excel sheet as my data source, so I'll select the file and choose the dataset I want to work with. Once selected, click Open to load the data into Power BI. A window will open. In this menu, you'll see a list of all the sheets and tables available in your Excel file. From here, select the sheet you want to work with. You can also preview the data on the right side to make sure it's the correct one. Once you've selected the right sheet, you're ready to load it into Power BI. Now, to modify the headers in your dataset, you need to select Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor, where you can clean and shape your data before loading it. Once you've selected Transform Data, the Power Query Editor will open, showing your dataset in a table format. Now, click on the sheet icon next to your table name. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Remove Top Rows. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter the number of rows you want to delete. These are usually unwanted rows like blank spaces or metadata. After removing the top rows, you might notice that the correct headers still haven't been assigned. In fact, the actual header row is still sitting at the top of your data. To fix this, click the table icon again and select Use First Row as Headers. This will convert the first row of your data into proper column headers, making your dataset clean and ready for analysis. Once you've finished cleaning your data and assigning headers, it's time to apply the changes. To do this, click on Apply and Close in the Power Query Editor. This step is important. If you skip it, Power BI won't register the changes and you may run into errors later. So go ahead and select Apply and Close. Now your data is cleaned, structured, and ready for analysis in Power BI. This video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, keep learning and exploring with Power BI.